Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to do an e-sign using DSC licensed. First of all, this is our eSign.network page. Here you need to complete the registration process. For that, there are two options. The first is individual based registration and the second is corporate registration. I also have a corporate registration login which I will show you next. I'm already entered my login ID and password. Here, my dashboard. First of all, I'll show you how to do e-sign using DSC licensed mode. First, click on the start signing option. There are two options available. The first is self sign and the second is other signatory. I will proceed with the self sign option. Here you will see a feature that asks, do you want to lock the document after signing? If you select yes, the document will be locked after the signature is applied. If the document is modified after signing, the signature will become invalid. So I'll go with the no option. Here you need to select the document on which you want to apply your signature. You can also add it or rename your PDF file before proceeding. Here you have the option to select the appearance of the signature box. The first is single page with single signature box, all page with single signature box, custom page with same signature box, and the last is custom pages with same signature, custom signature boxes. I'll go with the first one. In the signature appearance setting, there are two options, visible or invisible. If you choose the visible option, the signature will appear on the document. If you choose invisible option, the signature will still be applied and the document will remain valid, but the signature will not be visible on the document. In the signature page number field, you need to enter the page number where you want the signature to appear. We also provide additional feature in the signature appearance, allowing you need to add your location, reason for signing, and custom text to your signature. You can drag the signature box to place it exactly where you want your signature to appear on the document. Here you need to select the Use Browser Signing Solution DSC license mode to proceed with the e-signing. For this mode, please ensure that your DSC is connected to your system. If you do not have a DSC, you can click on the Buy DSC link and proceed to apply for a new DSC. You also need to download and run the browser signing solution on your system. Additional, you must register your DSC certificate within the application. I have already downloaded the application and successfully registered my certificate. Run the application. And my certificate is Pooja Gupta is already registered in the application. If you don't have the browser signing application installed, you can click here to download it to register your DSC certificate. You will also need a valid license key. You can click buy license key to purchase the key and complete the registration process. In this mode, additional features are available under the option section. You can enable these features as per your requirement. The first is include name from certificate, include subject from certificate, enable LTV, include time stamping, and also you can enable a green tick as per your requirement. On this page, you will see your profile details, document details, and the selected signing mode. You can also preview the uploaded document and click on the sign document. Once you click sign document, a pop-up will appear on your system. In the pop-up, you need to select your DSC certificate and click OK. After that, enter your USB token pin to complete the signing process. Once your document is e-signed, you will have the option to download it or navigate back to your dashboard. So my e-sign is done through the DSC license mode. Thank you.